All U.S. residents are required to pay taxes to the government. Taxes are handled by the U.S. Department of Treasury's Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS. It is very important to understand how to pay taxes because you will be penalized if you fail to file them or file them incorrectly. Your Social Security number is what the IRS uses to identify you and access your tax records. If you do not have a Social Security number, you can receive an individual taxpayer identification number, or an ITIN, the first time you file your taxes. There are three main levels of taxation: federal, state, and local. At the federal and national level, all U.S. citizens pay income tax and Social Security and Medicare taxes, commonly known as FICA taxes. Employers are required to withhold FICA taxes from your paycheck automatically and send them to the government. Most employers also withhold income taxes. On your pay stub every month, you will see the total amount you earned along with the percentage your employer withheld in order to pay the required income and FICA taxes. You also have to pay taxes at the state and local level. This includes the state income tax in addition to the federal income tax, which will be withheld from your paycheck as well. If you own your own home, you will pay a property tax based on where you live. Property taxes are based on the value of your home, but if you're renting or living in an apartment, you do not owe property taxes. Your landlord does. Whenever you make a purchase at a store, you are automatically charged with a sales tax. The sales tax varies by state and county and adds a small fee to the cost of your purchase. Taxes must be filed by April 15th every year. Most people qualify to receive a small refund from the IRS after filing their taxes, which means that some of the money that was withheld from your paychecks throughout the year will be sent back to them. To file your taxes, you will need a form called a W-2 from your employer. Your employer is required to send you this form in February. You'll also need to fill out the appropriate form on the IRS website, which is linked below. These forms can seem complicated and hard to understand, so if you need help, contact one of the organizations listed below this video to request free tax assistance. Once you finish the form, you will know whether you need to mail a check with an additional tax payment or whether you can expect to receive a refund from the IRS.